wish I could stop hopscotch hiccuping.
I am so excited we're going to be across the hall next, but I am so sad it's because your relationship ended. Who are you again? Amy Squirrel. Squirrel? Yeah. I'm going out in your face. Don't worry, you were kind of alone last year, and so busy planning the wedding. I found him in bed with somebody else. Oh my gosh. It was another man. Shut the front door.
She's a bad person.
I know you kind of stayed.
This movie I'm watching, she's a bad person.
Now you're back. I just know you are gonna get your teacher.
I know my oven went off and it's not correct. Look at this.
Well, I think the students teach me at least as much as I teach them. That's just something I say sometimes.
Hold on, let me just... My oven. I don't think I made them right. I don't think I made them right. I swear to God, I'm only like this on Saturday nights. Every other Saturday night, actually. Do you think I made them correctly? I just want to eat some, but I don't think they're right. I feel cold. I'm done. I want this. I got this honey mustard. I just. Sorry.
Wally's got that big orientation on the plane.
I probably won't go either. No, I might. I'll probably go and just sit in the back. Maybe leave early. Maybe stay to the end. I could by ear. Or just stay to the end. Oh, I don't know. Okay, this is fun.
I can't. I hiccups. I wish I could stop hiccuping.